Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to this in-depth walkthrough where I'll explain everything you need to know about using CashApp. This will be a comprehensive overview so you fully understand the very main features by the end of this video tutorial. When you first download the app, you will need to create your user profile by inputting your full legal name, your date of birth, physical address, and phone number. You will also be asked for other identification details. Be 100% sure with this information. Don't put any fake names or details that can't be verified, as CashApp needs to validate your identity. With your profile set up, you'll be taken to the peer-to-peer payment home screen. From here, you can instantly send money to friends and family. Let's say you want to pay, for example, $20 for whatever reason. You would type in $20, tap on pay or request, and then search for their CashApp name or cash tag. You can optionally include a note just to keep track of everything. So for example, rent or utilities or whatever it is the reason that you're sending the pay, and then hit pay. The funds will instantly transfer directly from your CashApp balance to theirs. It usually takes like around a minute. It's way faster than old school payment apps. So in the top right corner, you can manage your personal account settings. You can access your profile, transaction history, get support through 24/7 chat or by calling. You can also refer friends and earn money for it. CashApp offers around $15 every time you refer someone to using their app. I suggest that you make sure to explore all of the options here so you get a full idea of what it's like to use this app fully. Now let's discuss the main CashApp balance and banking section. This will display your current CashApp balance available to spend or withdraw. You can link external bank accounts here to transfer funds back and forth. From this section, you can instantly add or cash in money from your bank to your CashApp balance. Or you can also instantly cash out money from the CashApp balance back to your bank account. It's a seamless way to move funds between your external bank and your CashApp account. So once you've added money to your CashApp balance, what can you actually do with it? We've got a few options. Firstly, you can get the free cash card, the third tab on the bottom. This is a physical debit card that CashApp mails you for free. When you use the cash card at stores, it will automatically spend from your CashApp balance. So you first must fund your balance from your bank, and then you can swipe the cash card anywhere that major debit cards are accepted to spend from that balance. The cash card also has some amazing benefits too. If you tap on change in the top right corner, you will find boosts, exclusive discounts, and perks for using the card. It's a great incentive to get the card if you use the frequent discounts that they offer. You can swipe through the different boosts and tap activate to add the one that you want. And then the discount will automatically apply whenever you use the cash card to pay. All your cash card payments will appear under the activity tab in the bottom right. Here you can scroll through your complete transaction history and see details of each payment organized by day. You can also tap any transaction to view the merchant name, category like food or shopping, location of the purchase on a map, and the exact dollar amount that was spent or received. We also have the nice little investing section found by tapping on the line tab right here. CashApp lets you use your account balance to invest in stocks and also cryptocurrency, mainly Bitcoin. You can do all of that right from the application. And at the top, you can see the total value of your investments and performance over time. It also shows recent news that may impact your portfolio. Below you can see your full list of investments. You can view a chart of how each has performed. And it's very simple to execute trades yourself. Just tap a stock like Apple, for example, and then choose how many shares or dollars you want to buy or sell. Review the order details and then confirm. There are absolutely no trading fees. Selling also works the same way. Just tap these stocks, choose an amount or shares to sell, review your purchase, and then confirm. The proceeds will be deposited back into your CashApp balance following the sale. The same process will allow you to buy, sell, and track Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies that are offered. Everything is done directly within the CashApp. You can also monitor all of your investment activity under the Activity tab, including your stocks bought, sold, and held, as well as any Bitcoin transactions. And that will be a wrap. That was a comprehensive overview of how to use CashApp for payments, banking, how you get your free debit card and the perks of it, and finally by investing. I hope that this video was conclusive and helpful for you. If it was, let us know by leaving a comment in the comment section down below. And don't forget to subscribe for future videos. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.